Hello and welcome, I'm Micah, the cosplayer seamstress. Today I'm going to be making the Warhammer and reviewing the other accessories needed for the Medieval Genderbent Harley Quinn. But before that, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The materials I will need for the Warhammer are the wooden staff cut down to size, a Sharpie, an X-Acto knife, the screw, a cardboard container, the extra lid, a hot glue gun, and miscellaneous black and gray spray paints and black acrylic paint. If you would like to know where I got these materials, check out the Medieval Genderbent Harley Quinn Patterns and Plans video. First thing to do is make a hole in the side of the container the size of the wooden staff. I will be using a Sharpie to mark where the staff needs to go. Then using an X-Acto knife, I will cut the hole out. Next, I will use the Sharpie to mark where the screw will go to hold it in place. Then, my partner will drill a hole in the wood for the screw. Next, I will place the staff in the container, and my partner will screw the screw in place. After that, I will use the hot glue to reinforce the staff so it stays in place. I will do this on both the inside and outside. Next, I'll create the designs on the outside of the container that I want to show through after painting. This will be the diamonds, as that is a very prevalent design in Harley Quinn's original design. Then, I will spray paint the container, starting with black. I will do this all over the whole thing, including the staff. Once the black has dried, my partner will do another layer of gray over just the hammer part. Then, to make it more shiny and more metallic, we will spray a silver over all of that. Finally, I will paint with the black acrylic paints inside the diamonds to add dimension. The other accessories I already owned and were in my collection. They include the black boots, a sword belt, and a black coin purse. Congratulations, you now have all of the accessories for the Medieval Genderbent Harley Quinn. Here's what it looked like on my partner with the tabard and hood. If you would like to see how I made the hood, check out the video from last week. If you would like to see how I do the makeup, come back next week. Now that you have the accessories, you are ready for the makeup. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next project!